SoCozy Boing Curl Leave-In Conditioner. Boing Curl Leave-In is a multitasking conditioning spray that detangles tough knots and helps restore curls' natural balance. Infused with a special blend of moisturizers, it penetrates where curls need it most, nourishing and rebuilding damaged cuticles, preventing split ends, and stopping hair breakage without the buildup. To leave or not to leave it in? That's not the question. Curly hair naturally lacks moisture, which can make it unmanageable, so it's important to create a moisture foundation post-tub time. Generously spray leave-in conditioner throughout wet or damp hair from root to tip, staying away from the scalp so pores can breathe. Here's a quick tip. When there's no time for tub time, you can also use my leave-in between wash days. It's a secret weapon bringing curls back to life. No frizz or fuss, just curls done right.